Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're talking about what might just be the best ice cleats on the market. The Stabilizers Walk Traction Cleats for Ice. Whether you're walking your dog, navigating your driveway, or just trying to get to work safely on an icy morning, this product is built to keep you upright and confident, no matter the conditions. The Stabilizers Walk Traction Cleats come as a pair and are designed to securely fit over your existing footwear. No need for special boots. Just stretch these over your shoes or work boots, and you're ready to go. They're made of a durable thermoplastic elastomer, or TPE, which keeps them flexible even in bitter cold temperatures as low as -45 degrees Fahrenheit. That means whether you're in the Midwest blizzards or hiking through snowpacked trails in Canada, these cleats will stay snug and effective. What sets them apart is the traction system. Instead of cheap rubber nubs or fragile spikes, Stabilizers uses multi-directional, heat-treated steel plates. These are molded right into the heel and forefoot of the binding, giving you full foot traction and excellent grip. The coverage is 360 degrees, which translates into serious peace of mind. No more awkward slipping or catching your balance at the last second. One of the things people love about these cleats is how easy they are to put on and take off. There's no complicated buckling system. Just stretch them over your shoes and they grip tight. They're lightweight, compact, and foldable, so you can toss them in your backpack or even a large purse without a second thought. The sizing ranges from small to extra large. For reference, the small size fits men's shoe sizes 4 to 7 and women's sizes 5 to 8. So whether you're buying for yourself, a teenager, or an older adult in the family, there's a fit for everyone. And yes, they are made in the USA and come with a 90-day manufacturer's warranty, which adds another layer of confidence to your purchase. These aren't just for emergencies either. They're built to stand up to everyday use. That means daily commutes, frequent snow shoveling, or long winter walks, all covered. If you live in a region that gets snow and ice, this is a winter essential. So to sum it up, excellent grip, rugged materials, cold weather flexibility, and easy portability make the Stabilizers Walk Traction Cleats one of the most reliable winter safety tools you can own. They're an investment not just in comfort but in safety. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're looking to stay upright this winter, you might want to make these cleats your next click. See you next time.